In today's Display Suite tour, we'll take a look at R.Iconic to discover what the world-class development has in store for residents. Located in the city's new CBD South precinct, life at R.Iconic will be one of connectivity and vibrance. R.Iconic is the city's only residential building with uninterrupted water views, which are guaranteed to remain thanks to its locality and planning footprint. Each living environment is stylish and refined, with luxurious features everywhere you look. In the kitchens, mirrored splashbacks are paired with chrome fixtures and reconstituted stone benchtops, boasting timeless style. This $850 million development offers twice as many amenities as other properties of its type on the market, with a clear focus on well-being, fitness, entertainment, nature and technology. Facilities include an on-site running track, a zen garden, resort-style swimming pool, flotation spa, sports courts and more for residents to discover. Each home's neutral tonal palette provides a canvas for residents to add their own personal style, while the abundance of built-in storage makes downsizing a breeze. Construction of R.Iconic has recently commenced, with a completion date estimated for 2022. To learn more about the properties available for sale, request a call from a sales consultant via Urban.